Mobility scooter will not charge. How do you know? You won't have any power and you won't be able to go anywhere. This is how you diagnose it. This is exactly what you want to see. If you do not see the yellow light or green light come on, then you have a problem and you need to diagnose it. Let's walk through the diagnostics together. First, start with the charging unit. If you have a second one, try plugging that in, see if that works. If it's not that, start with the connection where you plug it into. Is it loose? Is it jiggly? Did it make full contact? Did it slip out? Then you need to find fuses. There's fuses on the steering column on some machines, and there's also fuses in the drivetrain. On this particular unit, the fuse was inside the drivetrain. You must find this fuse.
All just to find this guy here.
Once you've found the bad fuse or the bad wiring connection, replace it, fix it. This may have seemed like a large job, but it really wasn't. It probably only took me, including to go get a new fuse, maybe about 45 minutes. If you have found any value out of this, please like and subscribe. Thank you, and have a safe day.